I'm beginning to fill the in-floor loops for the in-floor heating system and in our new building. And so we have the boiler up top. We've got a two-stage deal here where we've got on-demand supply and then hot out for the bathroom. Gas comes in here. The system, this has a pump, but this system also has a pump for the second stage. This is an air eliminator. And so the supply line comes in here and then splits. We got a shut off, main shut off, and then splits to go to cold supply for the bathroom, which is coming up later. And then it also then supplies the boiler for the on-demand system, which will come later. And it also then comes over, and there's a backflow preventer here so that it doesn't get into the potable water, but then it goes down to a pressure release, lowers the pressure in this device, and then we have the expansion tank, and then that's supposed to back feed here at the bottom of the air eliminator. And then this system then gets pumped. This is the system where it goes out to the floor loops, and then it comes back up from the floor loops to the bottom part of this, and then the return back to the boiler is here. So right now, each one of these has a flow meter. So right now, these are gallons per minute. So we're running about a gallon and a quarter per minute, a little stronger in the first loop. That's this loop out, which will return here. And so you're controlling that flow rate here. And each one of these loops has its own flow rate. So this one has been pumping water, and this is how much water is being circulated regularly. We've pushed all the air out of that first loop, and we're going to let it run for a while. And because there might still be bubbles trapped in the system, it's important to get all of the air out of this system. I'm going to go ahead and shut this valve down, open this one up, bring a lot of air out as we pump like crazy. So bubbles are coming out as water is replacing it down in the loop. Shut down the first loop, and as the second loop gets filled, the bubbles will stop. Flow rate on that one is shut off, and the flow rate on this one is almost at a gallon and a half per minute. And so that's pushing the air out, replacing it with water, ready to fill again, using reverse osmosis distilled water, trying to take out any scale, mineral deposits, so that we have less chance of it building up inside the boiler. So we'll let that go. I'll keep adding more water, and as we need it. Here we go.